diamonds. I like stunning, I like shining. I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong. I do what they say I can't.
Hi guys, it's your girl Grace. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a quick get ready with me. You guys have already seen this here on my head on my channel. If you guys haven't, I'll leave a link below for you guys to check out my initial video and my first video of me wearing the hair. So today's video is going to be like an installation video, how I install it. This is a full lace wig. I'm going to be showing you guys how I install it and of course how I do my summer go-to glow look. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Remember, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell below so you can be notified every time your girl uploads. And just in case you're not following me on any of my social media, it will be somewhere on the screen, so make sure you add me, follow me, and let's become best of friends. And you guys should definitely check out Beso. I do have a discount code with them, which would be on the screen and also in the description box below, so definitely check them out and go get yourself a bum ass unit. With that being said, let's get started with this tutorial.
Guys, so to start off the tutorial, I do have my wig cap on. I'm starting with the Guts to Be Glue, the clear gel, and then I'm doing the Guts to Be Glue spray. So I'm going to go in with my Guts to Be Glue clear gel, and I'm going to put that all over my hairline. I like to push it back a little bit, and I'm going to go in with my blow dryer, and I'm just blow drying it to get tacky. Sometimes I do one, sometimes I do two coat, but because I'm not going to be having this wig in for a long time, I tend to do one coat, and because I'm using the Guts to Be Glue spray, it's going to last me about a week or so. So I like to put the spray on right after. The spray does get a little messy, so be very gentle and careful with it. And then after I put on the spray, I'm going to use my finger just to spread it out, and then I'm going to go in with the blow dryer and blow that bad boy down. So my tip is always keep touching to make sure it gets tacky before you put the wig on, because you don't want it to be still wet, because the wig will not stay on. So this is the wig I did receive from Beso Hair. This is their Houston Honey Blonde Lace Full Lace wig. So I'm just putting that on, and you want to do it in sections. I tend to do it in sections just because I feel like it works a lot more better and precise. After that, we're just gonna comb the hair so I can put it up in a ponytail before I can getting ready to do my makeup. I tend to put the hair in the ponytail and then I wrap on a hair tie. When I do put it in a ponytail, I do cut it just to like line it up a little bit with my hairline, just to clean it up, because I want it to be very clean and precise. And I move it around because it wasn't in the right place that I want it to be. And then after that's been fixed up, I'm just going to put a little bit of a glue just to get it there. And honestly, when you're doing this, you want to be very, take your time. Don't rush it, because if you rush it, it's not going to look as good as you want it to. So now that that is done, we're going to get started with my makeup. So for my primer today, I'm using the Hard Candy Share Envy Mattifying Primer. You guys already know this primer is like $8 from Walmart, CVS, any drugstore. It's super cheap, and this primer keeps me matte all day. This would be this is one of my favorite drugstore primer. So I'm just applying that all over my face. And for my foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation in 355. I've been using this foundation since I ever started doing my makeup, and I really like it. I tend to use this as my summer color or my summer foundation, just because I like how the color sits on my face and I like the coverage it gives me. It's not too heavy. And yeah, so I apply with a brush, and I'm going in with my beauty blender just to blend that in. Yeah, so you guys already know I really like this foundation. I like the finish of it. So to conceal my face, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand and Deep. I put the Tan Sand first because this foundation is a little darker than usual, so I use the lighter color more just to balance my face. And I'm gonna go over on top with Deep just to neutralize everything, and we're just gonna blend it all in. Anybody looking for a good concealer, this is a really good concealer. It is full coverage. It retails, I believe, for $30 or $33. What else can I say? Like, it's a really nice concealer. Like, I actually really like it. In the beginning, I thought it was just the hype, but I ended up fucking with it heavy. Not to set everything, I'm going in with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and we're just going to set everywhere that we put conceal, so when we take pictures we don't look scary. And to contour, I'm using the NYX contour kit. Yes, I've hit pan on that dark color, and I really do wish NYX sell just that color, because that's the only color I need, and I don't need to buy the whole kit again for $27. But you know, if I gotta do what I gotta do, I gotta do what I gotta do. But if you guys have any other contour kits or contour color you can recommend, please feel free to comment it below. And to set everything, I'm using my Laura Mercier Candle Glow Finishing Powder in number 6. And I really do like this powder. I like how it makes my makeup look. And then to blush it up today, we're using the Sephora Collection blush in number 10. Oh my gosh, you guys already know, oh my gosh, this is my favorite blush. And then I'm just going to put some highlight on my brow bone before I put on my lashes. So I'm using the Makeup Forever Profusion highlighter in number 2. This is the gold highlighter. This highlighter is amazing. And then for mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I like this mascara. I like how this is the only mascara I can use, to be honest, under super mink lashes, and it makes my lash very comfortable. And this lash I'll be wearing today is the X Vanity Mink X Lashes in the style Superstar. This is a very, very, very nice lash. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. It's just like the precise size you'd want your lashes to be if you're looking for like an everyday glam. And like I said, this is my go-to summer glam, so I love this lash. It like complements the look very, very, very well. Like, it really, really complements the look. And then for my highlight, I'm using the Makeup Forever Liquid Glow number 40. I already did my impression on this. I really love how this like goes on. Like, it's so nice, and I'm gonna be using this a lot in the summer, like a lot. And then on top, I'm using the Makeup Forever Pro Feature number 2 highlighter just to give me more of a glow, because you know, summer we want to be glowing for the gods. We want to be popping, like popping. And then I'm going in with my New York Colors liquid liner, and I've been doing this a lot, like making like beauty marks all over my face, and I like how they look in pictures. So I just use a matte liner, and then I go in with my powder to set it. And to set my entire face today, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way setting spray, the 3-in-1, and then I'm using my Better Than Sex mascara for my bottom lashes. I really don't like doing voiceover. Can you guys tell? I really don't like doing voiceover because I always mess up. So I'm just using this weird lip liner I got from eBay for like 99 cents, and I'm just lining my lip. It's like a purpley, deep purple burgundy color. And then I'm going in with my liquid lip from Absolute New York, and it's my favorite lip polish in the color Nude. And I'm just applying that all over my lip, and I love this color. Like, this would be my go-to nude color. But yeah, guys.
Did enjoy that tutorial. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys how I install this unit. I did put a video previously about how I usually install most of my wig. A bold hold lace glue, but this video I'm using Gots to Be glue, which is how I like to use with the full lace wig, because I feel like it's more secured and it stays on for me better. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Remember, this is a collaboration video with Beso Hair. This is a hair company based out in Australia. You guys should definitely check them out on Instagram, which will be on the screen and also in the description box below. Make sure you go order yourself a unit from them as well, and make sure you do use my discount code so you can get some dollars off. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any other video you'd like to see on my channel, feel free to comment below so I can film it for you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you do not have your notification bell turned on, once again, please turn it on so you can be notified every time your girl uploads. And lastly, if you're not following me on any of my social media, it'll be somewhere on the screen, so make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.